Helping people build technical skills is hard. It takes more than videos and multiple choice quizzes to prove they're job ready. People need practical experience with real-time feedback, and business leaders want relevant skill data when making personnel decisions. Skillable helps you deliver all three. By partnering with Skillable and adding hands-on virtual labs to your ecosystem, you become the learning provider with the competitive advantage. Putting learners in real environments that capture proof-of-skill activity data. You can choose from our library of more than 1,300 ready-to-use Skillable Challenges, covering critical IT topics, from beginner to expert. Utilize our templates to create scenarios that match learners' specific needs and your customers' business challenges. Or build custom labs for truly differentiated product offerings without the time and effort of maintaining all those virtual environments. With Skillable, your customers aren't guessing whether their people are job ready. You're equipping them with the quantifiable skill and performance data to help them make better decisions. Differentiating your organization shouldn't be complicated, and with Skillable, it's not. You're not just another learning solution. Prove it with Skillable, because doing is different.